ready yet. Wait.
Hey guys, it's your girl GlamNefercent here. Back at it again with the back at it again. And yes, today is an exciting video for me because I will be reviewing one of my YouTube boos, Turban Company, okay? So she just started in March. You know, I love to support black owned businesses, okay? So I was like, let me support and buy a few because when I don't feel like wearing wigs outside or recording or whatever, I just want to give my hair a breather, I can wear these bomb ass turbans because she always got some bomb ass turbans. So when she was coming out with a turban line, I'm like, get that money, sis. But today is going to be featuring Janeeallureco, guys. This video is not sponsored. I did purchase everything myself. Janeeallureco on Instagram and on YouTube, and I'm just so happy for her. Like, so I got my package the other day, okay, and let's start off with the card. So it's so cute, like it's so cute. It came with like this paper wrapped around it, and it says created by Janeeallureco. So Janeeallureco. And I got this card. If you're into turbans, you're definitely gonna like this, guys. So it's a Hallmark card. It says thank you. Thank you for shopping with Janeeallureco. Care info, hand wash only, cold water wash, let air dry. So, you know, it came with instructions.
I ordered 5, okay? I ordered 5 turbans. I'm freaking excited. Wait, hold on.
So you guys, I ordered a few and I will be trying them on for you guys. The packaging, okay? I'm gonna just bust it open. This is the orange one, and it's called Orange. And this is it. The material feels amazing, first of all. It feels awesome. Okay, so I will be trying these on, guys, so don't worry. But yeah, the material feels awesome. It doesn't feel like a regular, because I'm not used to turbans. I'm used to like just getting a t-shirt and just wrapping it around my head, you know. So I'm happy to actually have some good material, you know. So this is, oh my god, and it smells so good. It smells like laundry. Like, it smells like freshly washed linen. Like, I'm loving it, guys. I'm loving it. Okay, so that's orange. I also bought one of the oranges for my mother as well. Dripping Gold. Okay, that's the name of it. Dripping Gold. Very cute. Okay, so it has grays and like light grays and navy blues in it. This material feels really good. Like, I don't know, it feels amazing, guys. Okay, and guys, these are very affordable. Most of them are $10 each. There are a few that's like $15. I think it's one that's $20. That's the cotton candy. Oh my god, this one is the cotton candy. So the cotton candy one also came with like a blue iridescent one, and this one is pink. So they have like the pink. You could get the pink and the purple for $20, but this one was $15, I believe. So I can't wait to wear this. It's like iridescent pink and green and blue. Like, so excited. So this is for like my bright and festive people, okay? Very pretty, and it's see-through too. It is mocha. Oh my god, it's like a nice lace flower brown, looking like mocha chocolate, mocha coffee maybe. This one is so cute for like the summertime. I think all of these are good for the summer, spring, and some I can wear in the fall too. It's like a pretty lace. Okay, very cute. And again, guys, these all smell so good. Like, I don't know what she did, but they smell good. I think this one is my favorite. So this one is lemon. Oh my god, it's so cute. I can't wait to wear this. I cannot wait. Listen, okay, so yes, this is lemon. It's like a nice lime green yellow, okay, and I feel like she gives you just the perfect amount of like product, you know, to do the perfect wrap. Like, let me see how this looks. Satisfied. Like, I'm satisfied so far. So I'm gonna go ahead and try them on. Okay, so let's take this wig off, shall we?
Don't be scared, don't you worry. I don't wanna wait for nobody. I just wanna dance with you, papi. I put my hands on your body. Don't be shy, don't you worry. Cause I got too much juice, too much sauce. Too much sauce, too much juice. Too much juice, too much sauce. Too much sauce, too much juice. Too much juice, too much sauce. Too much sauce, too much juice. Too much juice, too much sauce. Too much sauce, too much juice. You know I got it. A little bit of juice and a little bit of honey. The way you smiling at me, you know that I'm calling. You can dance all night until the early morning. Oh yeah, baby boy, compose. Got boys all night with it, holla now, he the one glue. But I did turn them down, cause now you boy, way I want show. Baby, give me chance, baby, give me chance, baby, come close. Oh yeah, baby, come close. This your way, liking this your way. This your way, no be play. Oh yeah, why buy me bed, boy. This
Bulaka, it's a bad man thing. See, I'm a it's a bad man thing. Bulaka, yeah. See, see, I'm a jarry I'm a jawale. Say we get to pay so no delay. See, by the end of the night she be wanting more. By the end of the day they be wanting more. Busting out the place and they wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. I'm a jarry I'm a jawale. Say we get to pay so no delay. By the end of the day she be wanting more. By the end of the night they be wanting more. Busting out the place, them I wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. In all the place, say the girl them know. Say the girl them know. In all the house, say the man them know.
Guys, definitely check out Janeeallure's channel on YouTube. She does have a video where she's talking about her company, and she's showing you guys different ways how to style them. Okay, so listen, you can watch me with the turban, but she's the goddess. So her Instagram, her YouTube, everything. Okay, I will leave all her information in the description box, especially if you're into like, or if you're natural, or if you're not natural, whatever. But if you're into turbans, you should definitely check her brand out. It's very affordable, $10. She has a lot of sales almost all the time. Tell me which one was your favorite. I love orange, okay, and lemon, okay. And guys, she also has other prints as well. She just added them to the site, which is like tribal colors and a whole bunch of spring colors. Everything is just so nice and vibrant. She also has things for people who don't like too many colors as well. So I love the diversity that she has in her brand for, you know, everybody. So everybody can get a head wrap, you know. So definitely check it out, okay? I'm loving it.
McDonald's. Okay.
Janee, I just want to say I'm so proud of you. Definitely keep up the good work. I'm loving your brand. I'm loving your head wraps, your turbans. Good job, sis. I love all of them. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Okay? Love yourself first. Keep it glamming. GlamNefercent signing out. Love you guys.
Ice on my neck, rock on my wrist.